Hello again, and welcome to this week's episode of Suzelle DIY Science Experiments. Don't you hate it when you're studying for your end of year science exams and all the terms are getting muddled up in your head? Well, that is why today's episode is all about catalysts. Catalyst? What is it? I don't actually know, so I'm going to call a friend. Oh, my good friend Google. Here we go. A catalyst. A substance that increases the rate of a chemical reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. I'm going to show you an easy way to remember catalyst by showing you the elephant's toothpaste experiment. I am wearing my spectacles today because they make me look a little bit more scientific, don't you think? You will need hydrogen peroxide, 6% or stronger if you can find it. Dishwashing liquid. Yeast, your favorite food color. Mine is pink if you haven't noticed. We will also need a conical flask. I do not have a conical flask, so I found this lovely vessel in my dad's cupboard. But don't worry, I'm going to pour out the vodka. Don't forget your goggles. Oh, where is my lab coat? And you are ready to go. We already have our hydrogen peroxide in here. Next we are going to add a good squirt of fairy liquid. Next we add the food color. And finally, we add our catalyst. In this experiment, it is the yeast. Okay now guys, pour in your yeast quickly and step back. Quick fuck me on, look! It's getting hot in here, hey? Look at all this beautiful pink foam. Where did it come from? Well, the oxygen gas that was released from the hydrogen peroxide made the fairy liquid bubble up. What can we do with all this beautiful pink foam, Marianne? Oh, I have an idea. Did you know that hydrogen peroxide is used in hair salons to make the highlights? So, while the color is setting, let's talk about the science behind the experiment. The catalyst helps break down the hydrogen peroxide molecules into water and oxygen molecules. The oxygen is in gas form, so this makes the bubbles in the soap. This reaction is very quick, as you saw in the experiment. When the molecules break apart, the heat is released. This is what we call an exothermic reaction. And here is the reaction in picture form. When the cat is added to the hydrogen peroxide, it simply helps the oxygen atoms to break away faster, leaving us with liquid water and the oxygen gas. The catalyst may undergo a temporary change, but it can always revert back to its original state. Thank you for watching Suzelle's DIY Science Experiments, because anybody can do science experiments at home. By the way guys, what do you think of my new hair color?